What is happening in the world of tech and beyond? The news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and if you blink, you might miss the next big thing. Welcome back to Amazon Insights, where we break down the most critical updates you need to know. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown that will leave you informed and energized. We've got a packed show today, so buckle up and let's dive straight into the action. First up, prepare to be amazed as we unveil some seriously jaw-dropping price drops on a smart home favorite. We're talking about a brand that's synonymous with cutting-edge lighting, and right now, their popular bulbs and switches are hitting record-low prices. This isn't just a small discount. It's a massive opportunity to bring sophisticated, customizable lighting into your home for a fraction of the usual cost. If you've been eyeing a smart home upgrade, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Next, we're shifting gears to the world of high finance and market movements. We'll be dissecting a significant stock drop that's making waves, but what's truly astonishing is the sheer volume of trading activity behind it. We're talking about billions of dollars changing hands in a single day. What does this surge in volume coupled with a stock dip tell us about market sentiment and the forces at play? We've got the numbers and the analysis to help you understand this complex financial dance. Then, we're diving deep into the engine room of innovation, artificial intelligence. Specifically, we're looking at how developers can now train and deploy complex AI models with unprecedented ease. Amazon's SageMaker Hyperpod is rolling out new tools, a CLI and an SDK, designed to cut through the complexity of distributed systems. Imagine streamlining the entire process of bringing powerful AI models to life, from initial training to final deployment. We'll explore how these new features are set to revolutionize AI development. And finally, hold onto your hats, because we've got a smartphone deal that has us completely baffled in the best way possible. A premium, ultra-thin smartphone, known for its sleek design and powerful specs, has seen an absolutely staggering price cut. We're talking hundreds of dollars off, making it not just affordable, but the cheapest in its entire lineup. Why such a dramatic price drop? We're exploring the mystery behind this incredible offer and what it means for you. All that and more, coming up right now on Amazon Insights. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Unbelievable savings on smart lighting. For anyone looking to elevate their home ambience, a rare opportunity has emerged to snag Philips Hue smart bulbs and switches at their lowest prices ever, thanks to a surprise sale on Amazon. These aren't just any smart lights. Philips Hue is renowned for its premium quality, extensive color options, and seamless integration into smart home ecosystems. However, this reputation often comes with a higher price tag, making this sale particularly noteworthy for budget-conscious consumers or those looking to expand their existing setup. The current promotions focus heavily on starter kits, which typically bundle essential components like multiple Hue bulbs, a programmable smart button, and the crucial Hue bridge. The bridge acts as the central hub, connecting all your Hue devices and enabling advanced features like scheduling, custom scenes, and remote control via the Philips Hue app. Without it, users are limited to Bluetooth connectivity, which restricts functionality and range. For those interested in spotlight fixtures, the Philips Hue GU10 starter kit is now available for £101.99, down from its usual price of £140.40. This represents the steepest discount observed for this specific kit. Similarly, the Philips Hue B22 starter kit, featuring bayonet fitting bulbs, has been reduced to £81.50 from £103.23, marking its lowest price point this year. These kits are ideal for users looking to outfit specific rooms, offering a cost-effective entry into the Philips Hue ecosystem. Individually, the white and color ambience GU10 bulbs, commonly used in kitchens and spotlights, are also on offer. A 3-pack, usually a more economical choice than buying single bulbs, is now priced at its lowest ever, bringing the cost per bulb down to approximately £28.21. This makes it an exceptionally good deal for those needing to replace multiple bulbs or illuminate larger areas. For standard screw-fitting E27 sockets, a starter kit containing 2 bulbs, the Hue hub, and a smart button is also on sale. While not the absolute lowest price seen historically, which was during last year's Black Friday, It remains the best deal available in 2025 for this configuration. The B22 bayonet version of this kit offers even greater savings, especially considering that a single B22 bulb can cost close to £50, making the bundle an incredible value proposition. The Philips Hue ecosystem allows for extensive customization through its intuitive app. Users can set schedules, create scenes that transform the lighting for different moods or activities, and even utilize an AI-powered feature that generates custom lighting scenes based on voice commands. This level of personalization, combined with the current aggressive pricing, presents a compelling reason for consumers to invest in or expand their Philips Hue smart lighting systems. This significant price reduction is already generating buzz among smart home enthusiasts and tech deal hunters, with many highlighting the exceptional value offered, especially on the starter kits, which provide a comprehensive entry point into the Philips Hue experience. Don't miss out on these incredible savings, they won't last long. Now, let's switch gears to the financial markets and see what's making headlines there. Market volatility. Amazon stock dips amidst record trading volume. In a notable market event, Amazon stock experienced a downturn, dropping by 1.6%, a movement that, while significant on its own, is overshadowed by the extraordinary surge in trading volume. The stock saw a staggering 45.27% increase in its trading volume, reaching a colossal $8.72 billion. This dramatic spike in activity places Amazon's trading session 7th in terms of overall market activity for the day, indicating intense investor interest and considerable volatility surrounding the e-commerce giant. The juxtaposition of a stock price decline with such a massive increase in trading volume often signals a period of significant reevaluation by the market. Investors may be reacting to a variety of factors, including broader economic trends, sector-specific news, or company-specific developments that have yet to be fully disclosed or understood. The sheer volume suggests that a large number of shares were bought and sold, indicating strong conviction among participants, whether they were bullish or bearish on the stock's immediate future. Analyzing the market data, the 1.6% drop might seem modest in isolation. However, when viewed through the lens of the $8.72 billion in volume, it underscores a substantial flow of capital. This could represent a significant number of institutional investors adjusting their positions, perhaps taking profits after a period of growth or repositioning their portfolios in response to changing market dynamics. For retail investors, such activity can be a signal to pay close attention to the underlying reasons for the shift in sentiment. While the exact catalysts for this specific market movement are not detailed in the provided context, such patterns are frequently associated with earnings reports, major product announcements, shifts in regulatory landscapes, or macroeconomic news that impacts large-cap technology stocks. The fact that Amazon's trading volume ranked so high suggests that whatever the driving force, it captured the attention of a vast number of traders and investors across the market. Market analysts often look at volume as a confirmation of price trends. A rising price accompanied by increasing volume is typically seen as a healthy uptrend, while a falling price with increasing volume can indicate a strong downtrend or significant selling pressure. In this case, the falling price and rising volume suggest that there was considerable selling pressure during the trading session. The broader implications for investors are multifaceted. On one hand, the increased volume could present opportunities for traders looking to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. On the other hand, for long-term investors, understanding the fundamental reasons behind such a volatile trading day is crucial for making informed decisions about holding or adjusting their positions in Amazon. The market's reaction, as evidenced by the stock's performance and the trading volume, will likely be closely monitored in the coming days. Investors and analysts will be dissecting the available information to ascertain whether this was a temporary blip or the beginning of a more sustained trend. The sheer scale of the trading activity suggests that this event is more than just a minor fluctuation and warrants a deeper investigation into the forces shaping Amazon's market valuation. This event highlights the dynamic nature of stock markets, where significant shifts in volume can provide critical insights into investor sentiment and market momentum, even when price movements appear relatively contained. Stay tuned as we break down the complex world of AI development next. Now, let's dive into the cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence. Streamlining AI development, new tools for SageMaker HyperPod. Training and deploying sophisticated artificial intelligence models, particularly large language models, LLMs, has historically been a complex undertaking, often requiring intricate management of distributed computing systems. Recognizing this challenge, Amazon SageMaker HyperPod has introduced new tools, a dedicated command line interface, CLI, and a software development kit, SDK, designed to significantly simplify these processes for data scientists and machine learning practitioners. The newly released SageMaker HyperPod CLI offers an intuitive command line experience that abstracts away much of the underlying complexity associated with distributed systems. This means users can perform common workflows, such as launching training or fine-tuning jobs, deploying inference endpoints, and monitoring cluster performance with straightforward commands. This accessibility is particularly beneficial for rapid experimentation and iterative development, allowing ML professionals to focus more on model building and less on system configuration. For those who require more granular control and advanced customization capabilities, the SageMaker HyperPod SDK provides programmatic access to the service's powerful features. Built with a Python interface, the SDK allows developers to precisely configure training and deployment parameters while leveraging familiar Python objects. This blend of power and familiarity ensures that both seasoned ML engineers and data scientists can efficiently tailor their workflows to specific project needs. The accompanying documentation details practical examples of using both the CLI and SDK for training and deploying LLMs. These examples walk through critical aspects of distributed training, such as employing fully sharded data parallel, FSDP, and model deployment for inference. The goal is to showcase how these new tools can streamline the development lifecycle for production-ready generative AI applications. Key prerequisites for utilizing these tools include installing the latest version of the SageMaker HyperPod CLI and SDK, ensuring the underlying Kubernetes Python client is configured correctly to interact with the cluster, and installing specific Kubernetes operators like the HyperPod training operator and inference operator. These components are essential for managing the distributed training jobs and model deployments. Demonstrations include submitting a PyTorch model training job for a MetaLlama 3.18b model using FSDP via the CLI. This involves creating a Docker image for the training job, pushing it to Amazon Elastic Container Registry, ECR, and then submitting the job using the hip-create hip-pytorch-job command. The process is designed to be efficient, with the CLI internally handling the creation of Kubernetes custom resources. For deployment, the CLI simplifies the process of deploying foundation models from Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart or custom models stored on Amazon S3 or FSx for Lustre. Commands like hip deploy jumpstart model and hip deploy custom model allow users to deploy models and optionally create associated resources like a SageMaker inference endpoint and an application load balancer, ALBE, with a generated TLS certificate for secure HTTPS calls. The documentation also provides alternative methods using the SageMaker HyperPod Python SDK for both training and deployment, offering a programmatic approach for more complex or automated workflows. Debugging and observability are also addressed, with the CLI offering commands to monitor job status, list pods, and view logs, ensuring users can troubleshoot effectively. Overall, these new tools represent a significant step forward in making advanced AI development more accessible and efficient. By abstracting complexity and providing flexible interfaces, SageMaker HyperPod is empowering a broader range of users to harness the power of distributed computing for cutting-edge AI applications. The launch of these CLI and SDK tools is expected to accelerate the development and deployment of large-scale AI models, making it easier for organizations to build and scale their generative AI initiatives. Prepare for a truly unbelievable smartphone deal that has us scratching our heads. And now, for a smartphone surprise that's simply too good to be true. Staggering $400 price, cut on Galaxy S25 Edge, sparks confusion and excitement. In a move that has left many tech observers baffled, Amazon has implemented a colossal $400 discount on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, slashing its price to an unprecedented $699. This sudden and substantial price drop makes the ultra-thin smartphone not only the most affordable device within the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, but also significantly cheaper than even the base model S25, which retails for $799. The timing and magnitude of this discount, occurring shortly after the Labor Day sales period, have raised questions about the market strategy behind it. The Galaxy S25 Edge, while lauded for its sleek design and premium specifications, had previously been somewhat overlooked since its release earlier in the year. This remarkable Amazon deal, however, thrusts it back into the spotlight, presenting an unparalleled opportunity for consumers to acquire a high-end device at a fraction of its original cost. The unlocked version of the phone is available at this reduced price with no hidden conditions, amplifying the appeal of the offer. Normally priced at $1,099.99, the 256GB variant of the Galaxy S25 Edge is now available for $699.99, representing a 36% markdown. This price point is not only a record low for the device, but also positions it as a compelling alternative to other flagship smartphones. Competitors like Best Buy are still selling it at $849.99, and Samsung's own direct price remains at $1,099.99, making Amazon's offer exceptionally competitive. Reviewers have praised the Galaxy S25 Edge for successfully merging an ultra-thin and lightweight form factor with robust performance. Measuring just 5.8 mm thickness and weighing 25% less than the standard Galaxy S25 Ultra, it offers exceptional ergonomics. Internally, it boasts the same powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 12GB of RAM, and all the advanced Galaxy AI software features found in its more premium counterparts. The device also features a durable titanium frame, a vibrant 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display protected by Gorilla Glass, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Furthermore, it comes with a commitment of 7 years of OS and security updates, aligning it with the industry's best practices for longevity. While the Galaxy S25 Edge excels in design and core performance, it does make compromises in battery life and camera capabilities compared to the more substantial Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Ultra model includes a more advanced telephoto lens and a larger battery, which are significant considerations for users who prioritize photography or extended usage times. However, the current $400 discount effectively neutralizes these differences in value, making the Edge an undeniably attractive proposition for those who don't necessarily need the absolute best in battery or camera technology. The sheer scale of the discount has led to speculation about Amazon's inventory management or a strategic move to capture market share in the premium smartphone segment. Regardless of the reason, the deal presents an exceptional opportunity for consumers to own a top-tier smartphone at a remarkably low price. It's a situation where questioning the deal's origin might be less important than capitalizing on the immense savings. This promotion is particularly noteworthy for individuals who value sophisticated design and portability in their mobile devices, without wanting to compromise on processing power and the latest AI features. The significant price reduction makes the Galaxy S25 Edge an absolute steal, positioning it as one of the most compelling smartphone deals available today. That's all the top stories for today, but we've got a quick recap coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Philips Hue lights are at record low prices on Amazon. Amazon's stock saw a significant drop with massive trading volume. New tools are simplifying AI model training and deployment on SageMaker HyperPod, and a mind-blowing $400 off the Galaxy S25 Edge is making waves. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Amazon Insights for more, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels.